Hey guys, this is Manish, and in today's video we're going to do the month review about this Realme Buds Wireless headphones. It's now been a couple of months, you can say, which I was using this Realme Buds Wireless, and now I think this is the right time to make a review. Right now we have launched another airport sort of thing from the Realme, and whether these wireless headphones are really is kind of a right now devices right now into your hands. What are the pros and the cons of this device? I'm going to share it right now into my video. So watch this video till the beginning to the end to know that whether to buy the same kind of AirPods or this wireless headphones from the Realme, or you should wait for the next generation to hit the market. So without wasting time, let's just start it with the review of this Realme Buds Wireless headphones. So these are the Realme Buds which I'm using it now for a couple of time, and my first impression about this Realme Buds that is made of a very cheap plastic. Even these kind of sort of things is very much cheap. Many times while I'm keeping it in my bag, this simply came off and hang like this. Then I used to make adjustment on this soft plastic over here so it can easily fit my ears. And as I know that I've told you that it is in black in color and made of a plastic small soft gel which attracts a lot of dust into that, and you need to clean it from time to time. Another thing which I liked it, or you can say is more kind of a thing, that if your Bluetooth is on and it simply is in pair, if you unhold it like this, it will simply connect it to your smartphones or whatever devices you have currently paired to. But make sure that this is only be paired only for the one devices and not for the other devices. And moreover, if I go like this, it's a kind of a more pleasant to the ears, not so much of ear irritation is there while using this Realme Buds wireless headphones for a longer duration. So for overall, it's kind of a smooth, you can say, listening to music over this Realme wireless headphone. The one bug you can say which I noticed over here, that if you simply put it on your charger into the Realme Buds, simply the normal USB charger, and then plug this into the socket. Over here you see that it won't start charging. But if you have already plugged into your charger and it's been turned on, so if you put the charger into the socket and it's been turned on, even if you press the USB socket over here, then it will start charging. So it's kind of a bug which is showing it right now into this wireless headphones from the Realme. This is a kind sort of a bug which they produces into their Realme headphones. Maybe into the next generation this bug is being solved. The one thing which I told you, that if you unplug your Realme headphones like this and if your Bluetooth is turned on, it will connect simultaneously onto your any devices which you are using it. And over here you are able to see this is now being connected. Realme Buds Wireless, 80% of battery, so it's being connected right now, which is again a good thing. And if your music is playing it, and if you have turned off your phone, simply you have put it in, and somebody asks for the route or somebody says hi to you, and simply you need to turn it off. You simply take it out from the air and that's it. Your music will be stopped right there, right now onto your phone, and it will save a lot of battery if you're using this Realme Buds. So from my side, for all of the impression about the battery life, from my side of a normal kind of usage, the battery lasts too long, from 3 to 4 days. But if you're listening to music approximately down to 80 to 90%, your battery will be drained much faster as expected from the Realme, and it will only last for 1 to 2 days. So if you like this 1 month review about the Realme Buds Wireless, give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to share with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. This is Manish, and I see you all in the next video.